Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to outline your picture or sticker or text by using a Photoshop and Canva program. So let's start with Photoshop. Let's find any picture you would like to work on. I will choose this one. And here we'll have to choose brush. We are looking for quick selection tool. Here you go. And make sure the quick selection tool is under this plus sign. And now we have to select the area we're looking to outline. And you can see kind of outline everything, which is not the way I want. So we're gonna fix it. So we'll choose this brush with the minus sign, and we're gonna bring this selection back to the area we're looking to outline. When you're satisfied with the outline we have right now, you can click Command J if you're a Mac user. Great, so now if you notice, you have a second layer here. Make sure you make the background layer active, and we're looking for this button with this kind of circle divided on white and black. So the right click and we choose solid color and click, make sure you have selected black and click OK. Now you notice you have a third layer, color fill 1. Make sure the layer 1 is selected, and now we are going to right click and we'll click blending options. And right here we'll choose stroke and click the plus sign. Make sure you have it selected the color you want. I choose white color, that's why I have this white outline. You can change it and yeah, you will have that color changed. So whenever you're happy with the color, click OK. And also you can change the opacity to make it like faded or brighter. And position, make sure you choose position. Like I usually would prefer to go with outside outline, just because if you click inside it would kind of take some of the picture from your way and it doesn't look that good. So keep on outside, but it's really depend what are you working on and what idea you have to accomplish. And that's it. Click OK. Here you go, our outline is ready. And now really depends what are you trying to accomplish. You can go ahead and hide the background layer and the color fill 1. So you can save this picture as the sticker, but if you want to have that background picture with outline, so you can just unclick the layer with the color, and that's how you save it. So you will click File, Export, quick export as PNG, and you'll save it to your computer. That's how you do it. Pretty easy, right? Another way to create an outline for your picture is by using program Canva. And this program comes for free, but some of the features are available only for the pro users, for users who are paying for their application. But I will show you step by step everything, and I will show you how to replace some of the features by using free options. So let's start. So in the top right corner, let's click Create a Design. And there are many options, but we're gonna choose YouTube thumbnail. And here we can just upload any picture you're looking to work on. Let's remove a background on this picture. In the top left corner, we're gonna click Effects, and you will see Remove Background. And the program will remove background for you. If you are not using Canva Pro, you will not have background remover, so you may want to use another system. For example, you can use Remove.bg. So you can download your picture right here and it will automatically remove background for you. It's totally free. The only difference, you may not have the best resolution for that picture, but it's still great if you, as I said, don't use Canva Pro. So while we have this picture or sticker without background, we can copy paste to make another sticker the same exactly. We're gonna maximize it in size just a little bit. And while it's active, as you see, it's active right here since you can see this outline. We're gonna click on FX. And right here you will see dye tone. You can see all the colors. Let's choose any of them. The one you like, you can see which one you like the best. Also, if you click filter next to FX or adjust, you can blur our picture. And now we're gonna put it right on top of our original picture sticker. And we'll click on position in the top right corner and click backward. And voila, we have a cute sticker with a blurred outline. Also, the great tip, choose both pictures together and click on group in the top right corner, so the stickers will become as the solid picture. So you can just move them all together and they will stick to each other. So let's say you want to move them to the right, and on the left you can just add any text you want. Also, you can change the background and it would look even cuter. Here you go, your thumbnail is ready. Of course, you can play around and add some sort of stickers and elements to make it a little bit even cuter than this. Hope my video was useful for you, and I'm really curious if you know any other easy ways to add an outline. If yes, go ahead and add in comments. I'll be happy to read and learn more from you guys. And for now, bye bye and see you next video.